break of structure. Is it a proven strategy? Is it worth it? Is it worth your time? Absolutely. Break of structure strategies are so dominant in the market, and they're just so powerful, especially if you're moving with the trend. So in this video, I'm going to be explaining exactly where to find this model in the market, how you can find it, the reason of entry. So I don't want to waste too much of your time. We're going to be going right into the video. So first thing, always, when we are trading break of structures, we always want to follow the trend. That is one part of the story of the strategy that has to be followed. So for example, so you have a very strong trend over here. What are you going to look for? Well, right here, this is a new break. So from the previous high, we made a new higher high. Then we came to a higher low to a new higher high. So automatically you can see that we are constantly making these new highs. So that is a very important factor. Once we see that, what do we see? The second we make this new high, this kind of, think of it kind of as like a lung in a way. You inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, etc. That's how the markets move. So on this big inhale, now we exhale. On the new inhale, what are we going to do? We're going to exhale. But where are we going to stop that exhale at? Right at the fair value gap. And you can see that in this next model I'm going to show you on the live market, you're going to see that there's going to be fair value gaps in every single area. So guys, it's I think you can trade this with your eyes closed. It's really not hard at all. Simply break of structure, fair value gap, enter. Break of structure, fair value gap, enter. Break of structure, fair value gap, enter. I am sounding like a broken record right now, I know, but guys, it's really not a hard strategy. So what do we see over here? Well, there's a bit of a consolidation. We're not really going anywhere, nothing important, just messing around. What do we see over here? Well, this is a low. Now, this is our, in this case, that's the opposite. Say this is our inhale. Now, let's, so I can get the fair value gap. Now we have a fair value gap. This is our little exhale. Now we tap into it. Now we push down again. Now let's see, push down, new break. All right. So this is our new break now. Fair value gap as well. So let's mark that out. Are we going to tap into it? Yes, we do. What are we going to do now? We're going to exhale and continue down. All right. Now what else do we see? We have another break of structure. So what do we do now? Our fair value gap. Are we going to jump off of this? Well, let's see. And we do. Now we jump down. One more tap in. We break down again. Now what do we have here? Same thing. Guys, follow the trend and you can just carry this strategy all the way down the trend, all the way to the bottom. It's really not hard. So let's see now. Well, look at this. Now we have this fair value gap, but what's different from all of these over here to this one? I'll give you a second. Well, this is not actually a fair value gap anymore. This is a inversion fair value gap. So what are we going to do? We continue upwards. So this becomes our shift. But we didn't really have any form of a market structure shift. So I don't think this is actually going to hold. Let's see if I'm right. Yeah, ended up coming back down to then make our push higher. Then we created that shift in the trend. So that's one thing you have to be careful about. So right here, break of structure, fair value gap, perfect. We wicked inside, we push down. Wicked inside, push down. Body close inside, wick, push down. Right here, we made a full body close past the fair value gap, making it a inversion fair value gap, which means the trend can reverse and continue higher. So guys, it's so easy. It's really not a hard strategy. Just the only thing is you can't trade this in a consolidation period like this. That would be very hard. You have to have a full trend move. So guys, go back test this model and trust me, you are going to be very happy with it. Also, down below is my link to my Discord, completely free of charge. Just a place where we chill, we talk about our life, our trading, and we share our strategies. If you are interested, that link is down below. Leave a like, subscribe, and my favorite broker is down below as well. Peace.